What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be putting the fenders on the hatch. So you guys already saw the color that it is. I want to see them actually on the car. So before we put them on, we got to fix this cord support that's pushed out on the passenger side, and then we'll go on from there. Alright, so I got the car cover pulled back. I went passenger side fender right here, and what I'm gonna do is I am gonna mock up the fender on that side, and I'm only gonna bolt up the two first bolts, and then once I come to this one, I'm gonna push this in, and once it's where I want it to be at, I will then tighten it there. So yeah, let me mock up this fender and then we'll get it going. And just like that, look at that. It is still a little popped out, but I mean, it's better than what it was before, so I'm not mad about it. Something that I do see that I gotta fix is like right here in these corners. You can see the wrap sticking out, so I'm gonna have to trim this or like tuck it in a little bit more. Same thing on this corner. I'm gonna have to tuck it in or do something with it because you can see it sticking out. But other than that, dude, look at that. Here, let me go to this side. Look at that, dude. Oh, the carbon fiber is gonna complement this yellow so well too. Let me put the driver's side on so that we can close the hood and see how well it looks with the carbon fiber. So let me go grab that real quick. Alright guys, I know you guys already saw, but we gotta close that hood, bro, for sure. But dude, so same thing with this one. We gotta trim the corners over here. Same thing, we gotta trim it. And up here it looks fine. Look at that fitment, man. Ooh, fuck yeah. But okay, so we need a little bit of adjusting. Right here it's fine, but look at this side. We need just a tiny bit of adjustment, so let me go ahead and do that, and then we'll get the final reveal. Alright boys, moment of truth. Passenger side is solid, driver's side is solid. Hell yeah. Oh man, and you guys, I mean, the yellow complements the carbon fiber really fucking well, and I like that a lot. Oh man, I just gotta fix those little things on the corners where I gotta trim these edges on both sides, and it'll be on point, dude. But oh my gosh, look at that. I wish I had my keys to air it out, but I left them at home. But either way, man, god damn, I'm so happy I went with this color. Honestly, super happy with it. I don't know, you guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I personally love it. Also, I found my keys. They were in my car the whole time. So just take a look at this. Look at that. But yeah, you guys, on that note, leave a comment down in the comments what you guys think about the color. Like and subscribe, man. Like, help me out a little bit. you guys are watching the video, subscribe. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one, and you guys have a great day. Also, before I leave, these lenses, well, not the lens but the background, that color has to go because it does not go with the fender. So that has to go. Also, the engine bay color is gonna change as well. So if you guys have any ideas of what would look good with this gold or yellow, leave it down in the comments as well. So yeah guys, that's it. I'll let you guys go. Have a great day.